Ministry of External Affairs on Friday announced new passport rules in order to streamline, liberalize and ease the process of issue of passport. The ministry in a statement said that it has taken a number of steps in the realm of passport policy, which is expected to benefit the citizens of India applying for a passport. The details of these steps are given below. The government has now decided that all applicants of passports can submit any one of the following documents as the proof of DOB while submitting the passport application. Birth certificate, BC, issued by the Registrar of Births. Transfer or school leaving or matriculation certificate, issued by the school last attended or recognized educational board, containing the DOB of the applicant. PAN card issued by the Income Tax Department, with the DOB of applicant. Aadhaar card, or e-Aadhaar, having the DOB of applicant. Copy of the extract of the service record of the applicant, only in respect of government servants, or the pay pension order, in respect of retired government servants, duly attested, or certified by the officer or in charge of the administration of the concerned ministry, or department of the applicant, having his DOB. Driving license, issued by the Transport Department of concerned state government, having the DOB of applicant. Election Photo Identity Card, EPIC, issued by the Election Commission of India, having the DOB of applicant. Policy bond issued by the public life insurance corporations or companies having the DOB of the holder of the insurance policy. The following policy changes have been made inter alia, on the basis of the recommendations of a 3-member committee. The online passport application form now requires the applicant to provide the name of father or mother or legal guardian, that is, only one parent and not both. This would enable single parents to apply for passports for their children, and to also issue passports, where the name of either the father or the mother is not required to be printed, at the request of the applicant. The total number of annexes prescribed in the Passport Rule, 1980, has been brought down to 9 from the present 15. Annexes A, C, D, E, J, and K have been removed, and certain annexes have been merged. All the annexes that are required to be given by the applicants would be in the form of a self-declaration on a plain paper. No attestation or swearing by or before any notary or executive magistrate or first-class judicial magistrate would be henceforth necessary. Married applicants would not be required to provide Annexure K or any marriage certificate. The passport application form does not require the applicant to provide the name of her or his spouse, in case of separated or divorced persons. Such applicants for passports would not be required to provide even the divorce decree. Orphan children, who do not have any proof of DOB such as birth certificate or the matriculation certificate, or the declaratory court order, may now submit a declaration given by the head of the orphanage or child care home on their official letterhead of the organization confirming the DOB of the applicant. In case of children not born out of wedlock, the applicant for the passport of such children should submit only Annexure G, while submitting the passport application. In case of issue of passport to in-country domestically adopted children, submission of the registered adoption deed would no longer be required. In the absence of any deed to this effect, the passport applicant may give a declaration on a plain paper, confirming the adoption. Government servants, who are not able to obtain the identity certificate, Annexure B, or no objection certificate, Annexure M, from their concerned employer and intend to get the passport on urgent basis, can now get the passport by submitting a self-declaration in Annexure and that he or she has given prior intimation letter to his or her employer informing that he or she was applying for an ordinary passport to a passport issuing authority. Sadhus or sannyasis can apply for a passport with the name of their spiritual guru mentioned in the passport application, in lieu of their biological parents' names, subject to their providing of at least one public document such as election photo identity card, EPIC, issued by the Election Commission of India, PAN card, Aadhaar card, etc. wherein the name of the Guru has been recorded against the columns for parents' names.